Welcome to tutorial video about electrical circuits. And in this lab, we're going to look at different layouts of resistors in simple circuits. Sometimes we have a series circuit, which means the two resistors are in a line with each other. There could be a parallel circuit. Notice that those are in parallel or next to each other. And sometimes we have more complex combinations of parallel and series you can see in this chart. So we have these 6 different combinations at the top here, and you're going to learn about the total resistance in 5 of these setups that we do in the lab. So let's go down here. Notice you're going to be reading the multimeter to try to get the resistance read, the ohm meter scale of that multimeter, and you're going to read off of that. Okay, so the question is just a simple question here. What's the nature of series and parallel resistor circuits? So if you're looking at parallel, will the resistance increase? If you're looking at series, will the resistance increase? Or will it not matter? Parallel or series, we can increase the resistance from compared to just a single resistor. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these. And you're going to see how the hypothesis is created. And now we've got our 5 different circuits. There's a simple circuit, and then going through the options. Now, a simple circuit is just one resistor. So when we see that set up here, okay, we should just be able to click right on that meter. And I see that we're actually not clicking on the meter, we're reading it. So interestingly enough, that's about 3 right there. Press next. Okay, that's about 6. Press next. That's 8. Press next. 10. Press next. Okay, and that's the different amounts of the resistors that we put in place. Resistor number 1, 2, 3, and 4 have that amount of resistance. Now, that was not a complicated circuit. That was just a single resistor, and we're measuring out the ohms of the resistor. So what you're going to do is go ahead and do those 4 other interesting circuits. I'm going to save this one to my chart. You can always reset if you want to remeasure. Once you've done all 5 setups, start to think about how the resistance changes depending on if the circuit's in series or parallel, and learn more about simple circuits in this lab.